Do you really know what happens to your car every time you just set your tires to 32 PSI? If you think that number is safe, you're about to discover a silent danger lurking beneath your wheels. Every day, millions of drivers unknowingly damage tires, suspension, brakes, and fuel economy because of this tiny oversight. Today, I'm taking you on an insider tour of premium car maintenance, sharing expert tips, shop-proven methods, and tested tricks that mechanics rely on to keep vehicles performing like new. By the end, you'll understand why 32 PSI can be catastrophic for modern cars, and I'll show a 30-second tire reset trick that instantly puts your car back on track. Let's start with the number everyone trusts, 32 PSI. You see it everywhere: online forums, casual advice, even some mechanics swear by it. But here's the truth: that number was never intended for your car. Decades ago, tire shops needed a shortcut, one number that was good enough for most passenger vehicles. Cars were lighter, tires narrower, and suspension simpler. That shortcut became conventional wisdom. Over time, it stuck. But today's cars are heavier, wider, and far more sensitive to tire pressure. Modern tires, suspensions, and braking systems are designed with precision in mind, and a generic number like 32 PSI can silently destroy all of it. Many drivers then turn to the tire itself for guidance, reading the sidewall number. Bold, obvious, official looking, it feels trustworthy. But it's not. That number is the tire's maximum safe PSI, not the pressure recommended for your specific car. Tires of the same size can have sidewall numbers of 44 PSI or 51 PSI depending on stiffness, load rating, or manufacturer. That doesn't mean your car suddenly needs more or less air. Your car's suspension, brakes, and weight distribution haven't changed, only the tire construction has. Following the sidewall alone is a hidden trap that can cost thousands in repairs. So, what happens if you ignore your car's needs and keep every tire at 32 PSI? First, tires suffer silently. They're engineered to flex precisely. Too low pressure, and the sidewalls bend excessively, generating heat that destroys internal layers over time. Steel belts weaken, rubber cracks, and the tire may still look fine on the outside, until it blows out at highway speed. Too high pressure, and the tire becomes stiff and brittle, transferring impacts directly into the structure. Hitting a pothole, curb, or speed bump can instantly cause hidden damage, weakening the tire from the inside. Your suspension pays the next price. Tires are the first shock absorbers for your car. Overinflated tires transmit every bump directly to shocks, struts, and control arms. Underinflated tires flex too much, forcing suspension components to constantly compensate. Over time, bushings, ball joints, and mounts wear out prematurely. Most drivers blame rough roads or bad components, never realizing that tire pressure is the hidden culprit. Next, tire wear becomes uneven. Low pressure wears outer edges, high pressure wears the center. Rotation, balancing, or alignment cannot fix structural damage caused by incorrect PSI. Once uneven wear begins, tires lose grip, braking distances increase, and handling becomes unpredictable. This is why many cars feel fine during casual driving, but in emergencies, a tiny PSI error can lead to disaster. Incorrect tire pressure also reduces braking performance. Tires make less contact with the road, making stops longer and corners feel sloppy. Overinflated or underinflated tires compromise grip, and even minor errors increase the risk of accidents during sudden maneuvers. Fuel economy is affected too. Rolling resistance rises when tires aren't inflated correctly, forcing the engine to work harder. Over a year, this hidden inefficiency can cost hundreds of dollars, quietly draining your wallet. So, how do you fix it? Here's the shop-approved solution. The car already tells you exactly what it needs. Open the driver's side door and locate the sticker on the jamb. There you'll find front and rear PSI, cold pressure, tire size, and load limits. Engineers calculate this for your specific vehicle, taking into account weight distribution, suspension geometry, braking performance, and safety factors. This sticker is the final authority, not the sidewall, not a friend's advice, and not outdated online rules. Many drivers get confused when front and rear numbers differ. This is intentional. Front tires carry engine weight. Rear tires carry passengers or cargo. Matching all 4 to 32 PSI ignores balance, resulting in uneven wear, compromised braking, and rough handling. Follow the sticker exactly, it's tested, reliable, and shop approved. Timing is crucial. Checking tire pressure after driving is misleading because heat causes air to expand. Always check cold tire pressure after the car has sat for at least 3 hours or been driven less than a mile. This simple step ensures accuracy and prevents misinflation, which otherwise leads to uneven wear, poor handling, and reduced braking efficiency. Seasonal changes matter more than most drivers realize. Cold air contracts, dropping PSI by roughly 1 point for every 10 degrees decrease. A 30 degrees morning can take a 36 PS tire down to 33 PSI, enough to affect handling and safety. Heat expands air, increasing PSI by 2-5 points during summer. Spring and fall are tricky because temperatures fluctuate daily. Monthly checks aren't enough. Adjust when seasons shift to maintain performance, safety, and efficiency. Special cases exist. Older compact cars, light sedans, or early 2000s vehicles may safely run near 32 PSI for short trips. Comfort-oriented tires may tolerate it too, but load, speed, and driving conditions quickly make that number unsafe. Always rely on the door sticker. It removes guesswork and avoids hidden costs caused by over or underinflation. Now here's the 30-second tire reset trick, tested over years in professional shops. First, locate the door sticker. Note recommended front and rear PSI. Grab a reliable gauge. Don't trust cheap gas station models. Check each tire cold. Inflate or deflate to match the sticker exactly. Replace valve caps, do a quick visual inspection, and you're done. Repeat monthly and with seasonal changes. Following this method keeps tires, suspension, brakes, and fuel efficiency optimized. Even after resetting, extra precautions help maintain your car. Never rely solely on sidewall numbers. Avoid overinflating for comfort. Monitor seasonal shifts. Use quality gauges. Avoid long high-speed driving on misinflated tires. These small steps protect the tire's internal structure, maintain precision handling, and prevent silent, expensive failures. Common hidden mistakes drivers make include cheap or inconsistent gauges. Even a 2-3 PSI error can cause uneven wear. Ignoring seasonal changes leads to slow but accumulating damage. Swapping tires or brands without checking your car's sticker can also affect suspension and handling. Rotation is another key step. Tires wear differently front to back and side to side. Rotate them and recheck PSI to ensure even performance. If this video helps you avoid costly mistakes, hit like now, subscribe for more exclusive car maintenance insights, and comment your country along with the next car topic you want me to cover. Take control of your car's safety, performance, and longevity today. Don't wait until it's too late. Your tires, suspension, and brakes depend on it.